I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sumo robot. First, let's talk about the foundation, your robot's chassis. It's crucial to understand the competition rules, which often limit weight to 3 kilograms and dimensions to 10 by 10 centimeters. Choose a strong yet lightweight material, such as aluminum or ABS plastic, for durability. A low-profile design is key for stability and getting under your opponent, giving you a significant advantage in the ring. Next up, power and traction. Your motors are the heart of your robot's pushing ability. Opt for high-torque DC gear motors, typically operating at 12 volts, to ensure you can effectively move your opponent. Pair these with wheels that offer superior grip, often made of silicone or rubber, and have a diameter of at least 5 centimeters for good ground contact. Don't forget to select motor drivers capable of handling the maximum current your motors will draw. Now, let's give your robot some intelligence with sensors and control. Infrared or ultrasonic sensors are essential for detecting your opponent, allowing your robot to locate and engage. Additionally, line-following sensors are critical for staying within the white boundary of the sumo ring, preventing disqualification. The brain of your robot, a microcontroller like an Arduino, needs to be programmed for autonomous decision-making, enabling it to react strategically to its environment and opponent. Finally, let's talk about your robot's offensive edge and power supply. A well-designed front blade is crucial. Make it wide and angled to get under your opponent and maximize pushing force. For power, choose a compact, high-capacity battery, like a 3-cell LiPo, to ensure sustained operation throughout matches. Remember to securely mount all your electronics, including the battery and circuit board, to withstand the inevitable impacts and vibrations of a sumo robot battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.